Okay, going to do a quick review on Mucinex DM 12-hour expectorant and cough syrup. Controls cough, thins and loosens mucus, immediate and extended control. 600 milligrams benzene and 30 milligrams dextromethorphan HBr. Extended release bilayer tablets. Okay, this is what they look like. That's a pretty good little product. I tried it for the first time a couple days ago. Rosie, stop. Tried it the first time a couple days ago. I tried it the first time a couple days ago. I'm fighting allergies and everybody here at the house is fighting with allergies right now. Allergies and colds. Yeah, it's a pretty good little product. Relieves your symptoms. It will make you drowsy. I'll tell you that. Like most cold medicine, starting to make you drowsy. I end up falling asleep in a couple long after I took it. It's a good little product if you're dealing with allergies and colds, so that'll help clear your head up and sinuses and stuff. This is the Mucinex DM Expectorant Cough and Cough Suppressant 12-hour medicine. You should go about this in most drugstores and stores that sell cold and flu medicine and allergy medicine and stuff like that. Like I said, it's a pretty good little product. I took one a couple days ago. It's the first time I ever tried this, and it helped with my allergies. I think I'm going to end up taking one right after I finish this video. My allergies are still driving me crazy. Rosie, stop.